Iginla in some traffic. There's a shot, not much of one. Lanko, and Tanguay finishes it off somewhat reluctantly because he had no option but to shoot the puck in the net. 5-1 Calgary. Jerome Iginla, Nystrom looking for Iginla all the way. Nystrom, Iginla scores! There it is, number 50 for Jerome Iginla, and the Calgary bench erupts.
And a fitting crowd reaction at a difficult night for the Vancouver Canucks, the home team, but a fitting tribute to some great players. Iginla with his 50th, and Naslund and Trevor Linden.
He hasn't said it, but it's pretty obvious.
But the pictures say the words, don't they?
The other Flames that went to the dressing room are all coming back out.
And I think Jerome Iginla and some of the Flames are waiting to give their piece as well. What a class act.
Isn't this terrific?
At this point, I think my immediate plan is to kind of take some time and step back a little bit and kind of see where my future goes.
It was June 11th, 1988, when Pat Quinn officially made Trevor Linden a member of the Vancouver Canucks. The transition from junior to the NHL was a seamless one for Linden. A Calder Trophy finalist, Linden was the first Canuck rookie to be named club MVP, finishing the season with 30 goals, tied for tops on the team. So in just his third NHL season, at the tender age of 21, Linden became the youngest captain in the league.
No shot, back to run, centered it. Here's Cardinal, score! Cardinal made the pass to Trevor Linden, and they get their power